Alright guys, so we got Daniel and we got Steve. We had Chick-fil-A. I just stole the fry from this man. We out here bitching. But yeah, so we're gonna go to the meet and wait, what?
At first, like the frame was like way up here, bro. I couldn't see you.
Alright, people just randomly looking at me. We're gonna go to the meet. Are you gonna do it, Brian?
We start doing it, y'all.
I don't know what to say. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. Right now, we're like what, like 40 minutes away from the meet? 30? Not like 30 minutes, right? Like 30 minutes away from the meet. So I'll see you guys in a bit.
You're leading.
I gotta be. Oh, what the fuck? You about to hit me with that shit too, you stupid bitch. This nigga. Oh, what the fuck is wrong with you? I gotta go in the truck. Look at the 300. Look at the 300. You're about to hit the Tacoma. I gotta go in my Tacoma.
Hey, I'm following you. You leading.
Oh, fine. I guess I'm leading, guys. They got me fucked up. Damn. It's cold shit. I got my jacket in the car. Oh, I left the car open? Should've never done that. Alright, let's go, guys. Damn, I'm cold. I'm cold as shit.
A few minutes later.
They out there two-stepping, dog. What's up? I'm Jerry. What's up?
Oh, my name is Daniel, bro.
Daniel?
Yeah, bro.
Some good shit, but you missed some good shit. Oh, what are they doing?
They was fucking did a whole burnout right here with all the smoke.
Bro, these shits are always getting lit.
Hey,
That's pretty
he's
big.
about to do a burnout right here.
Yo, let me get inside, bro.
Huh?
Let me get inside.
Yeah, film for mine.
Huh?
I'll rip a burnout right here.
I bet. Alright, so Daniel's gonna do a little burnout. Oh shit. Damn, guys.
Where's Kevin? What's up, man? What's next to start my channel?
This shit just been fun, bro. That's Dawson's win.
Yeah, Dawson's over there.
It is fucking cold over here, bro. Huh?
Are these still be rear-wheel drive?
They're all-wheel drive.
They're all of them are?
Yeah,
Oh,
all
I thought like first gen was rear-wheel drive or something.
No, they're all all-wheel drive.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
No, it smells like weed.
That's at every meet,
Yeah, it
dude.
smells like malta. Y'all smell that too? Yeah.
mans don't know if they can even hear me, dude. Damn, I want to find those guys that told me to wait. Oh, is Marquez here? Who? Marquez. No, Marquez. Hey, here you go. Off of the clout. Off of the clout.
I'll pull this bitch right here.
Was that weak? That was weak.
Don't pull it.
Bro, I can't wait till I get my car running over again. Oh, shit. I can't wait till I get the Honda.
It's not like you're gonna have anything to do. You're gonna have everyone driving? Oh, yeah, with the Honda.
Yeah, I can't wait till I get the Honda. It's gonna be so fucking lit.
Lock the fucking real wheels and shit.
I might have people in that bitch. I might have you and people in on that shit. I like that one. I like that. Let's go see what's up over there. What? What?
I said I need a camera, bro. I noticed how hard it is to switch from Snapchat like to my camera.
That's what I'm saying.
Cause like I want to do both.
I could be like,
Yeah.
we out here. We out here.
It doesn't shoot flames, it doesn't amaze me.
Okay. You got 2 steps, sir?
Yeah, no, yeah. Yeah, in the engine. Yeah, combustion.
Look, Type R.
Why are we always missing it, bro?
I don't know, bro. It's just 2 step though. That's all it is. Is this Type R? Nah, it's just normal Pacific.
That's where all the crackheads are.
Oh, is it a Type R? I think it is a Type R.
You ever notice whenever you get near Hondas, you smell weed?
Yeah. It's just smooth. Look at this, dude.
This shit wet as fuck.
Yeah, this shit's smooth.
Is this yours? Yeah. Oh, dude, I follow you.
On Instagram?
Yeah,
Simon PQ.
oh, shit. Yeah, dude, I want to do. Yeah, I got a G35 as well.
Oh, hell yeah.
And like, I was about to hit you up, but I was like, fuck, I don't know what to say or anything because I just like recently bought it as like a daily because I have a 300ZX that I like drip.
Dude.
Hey, this thing's so wet.
I do need to fix this. But
Yeah.
It's been. So this is after our this is. And then the piece under this is what I poured it out.
Yeah.
And then the like runners running around.
So, you know about rubber business?
A few minutes later.
Baby, lay on back and relax. Get your pretty feet up on my dash. No need to go nowhere fast. Make you enjoy life. Who knows? Hey, buddy.
God damn.
Next to me, everything's gonna be alright.
想まみれこの街の演奏玉
Fuck it, that's my cousin! Yeah! Alright, I'm gonna park now.
No, do it again. Hit that shit again.
This motherfucker, bro. Bro, that man is already, bro, he wasted the fuck out of his
That
time,
shit
bro.
was fucking insane!
He wasted the
I
fuck
would
out
have
of
tore
his
my lungs for a month!
Yo, that shit was crazy.
I'm not through up, that's why I'm that roller, bro. I was about to
Where's he at? He's still killing that shit. That motherfucker's crazy. This is crazy, bro. Oh, here we go. Get that rubber again, boy. Where's the flow? Damn. Dude, you got sparks coming out of your shit.
Huh?
You got sparks coming out of your tires.
Bro, I popped it! I popped it! Daniel!
Oh
No!
You popped it.
Daniel!
Bro! What the fuck?
Put a light on it! Somebody put a light on it, bro!
Daniel! Daniel! What the fuck? This motherfucker did like a whole fucking burnout, dog. Damn! What the fuck?
That's dope as fuck. Damn, I need another tire though.
I told you to bring a spare, bro.
Damn, I should have brought another tire.
Oh, me too, dog.
If you want me to drive you back to your house to get a tire, I will. If you don't want to drive,
That's a fucking drive.
Damn.
That's a fucking drive, dude.
I need a tire though! I need one! I have to have one!
I got the truck. I got the truck. That's fucking crazy.
Hey, I gotta put this on my block, nigga. Damn.
any of y'all drive or did y'all ride? Did y'all all ride?
I'll bring my mom. I'll bring.
Well, I rode with Daniel. All right. What's up?
Dude, you want to see that shit? Damn, I thought he was actually gonna do it. Fuck. Finesse the shit out of me. That was a good one, Daniel. I
should have been like, add me on YouTube!
I fucking love you, dude.
I told you I was gonna send
That won't do it with the truck. Nah, I won't do it. I won't do it.
What I said? I said I was gonna send it. I fucking sent it. I destroyed my car, but
the
fuck
shit
it.
out
I
of it.
sent that shit.
You sent the shit at it. Fucking North Gasson.
No burnout, bro! No burnout! Transmission. Do the burnout!
I don't even know what the fuck that shit was.
Dude, that's cool as fuck. I can't believe I did that shit.
Yo, you killed that shit, bro. You killed that shit. I'm not even gonna lie. You should be proud of yourself. I'm about to do that shit when they watch.
Yo, homie, the 300 though, he killed it, bro. Yeah, please.
I wish I could do that.
Like,
Shit. I don't got no tire or anything, so I don't.
bro, how the fuck you do that, bro?
I mean, I just
ate the shit out of the tire.
Hit the brake.
No, I killed that.
My tire popped.
I didn't see it. I wasn't
You
here.
see it?
I just heard about it.
Oh damn.
I was charging my phone at least 3%.
You missed a big ass fucking burnout.
That shit was cloud. That was
I was in the cloud. I was in the cloud, so I couldn't see that.
the cloud was fucking big, bro. You got the breast burnout. Huh? Yeah, hell yeah. Go subscribe, bro. Go subscribe.
Go subscribe,
Bro, go subscribe. Go on YouTube real quick.
Famous out here, bro.
Hell yeah.
Oh shit, he hit someone!